Your car's engine is a complex system that requires precise timing and fuel control to run efficiently. But did you know that a small component called the knock sensor plays a vital role in protecting your engine and improving performance? In this video, we'll explore 10 reasons why the knock sensor is essential and how it helps your car run smoothly. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Prevents engine knock. The knock sensor detects abnormal combustion, knocking or pinging in the engine, which occurs when the air-fuel mixture ignites too early or under high pressure. If left unchecked, knocking can create severe stress on the engine, leading to permanent damage. The knock sensor sends signals to the engine control unit, ECU, to adjust ignition timing, preventing these harmful effects. By ensuring smoother combustion, the sensor helps maintain overall engine health and reliability. Number 2. Enhances fuel efficiency. A knock sensor enables the engine to operate at optimal ignition timing, preventing power loss due to premature combustion. By avoiding inefficient fuel burning, the engine can make full use of the fuel injected, leading to better mileage and reduced fuel consumption. This efficiency reduces fuel costs for the driver while also minimizing the vehicle's carbon footprint. With better combustion control, the knock sensor plays a crucial role in balancing performance and economy. Number 3. Protects engine components. Excessive knocking can cause severe damage to critical engine parts, including pistons, cylinder heads, spark plugs, and valves. The knock sensor acts as a safeguard by detecting these irregular vibrations and allowing the ECU to make real-time adjustments. This helps in preventing overheating, excessive wear, and catastrophic engine failure. By minimizing internal engine stress, the knock sensor extends the lifespan of key engine components, reducing the likelihood of costly repairs or replacements. Number 4. Improves engine performance. A properly functioning knock sensor ensures that the engine maintains optimal power output and smooth acceleration. When knocking is eliminated, the vehicle experiences better throttle response, improved horsepower, and consistent performance under varying driving conditions. Whether accelerating on highways or climbing steep hills, the knock sensor ensures that the engine operates at its best, providing a more refined and powerful driving experience. Number 5. Reduces harmful emissions. Incomplete combustion caused by engine knocking results in the release of excessive pollutants such as carbon monoxide, CO, and nitrogen oxides, NOx. The knock sensor helps regulate combustion efficiency, ensuring that fuel burns completely and cleanly. This reduction in emissions helps vehicles comply with environmental regulations and contributes to a healthier atmosphere. In addition to benefiting air quality, better combustion efficiency also helps prolong the life of the vehicle's catalytic converter. Number 6. Optimizes ignition timing. The knock sensor provides real-time feedback to the ECU, allowing it to continuously adjust ignition timing based on driving conditions. Whether under heavy load, rapid acceleration, or high temperatures, the sensor helps fine-tune timing to prevent detonation and ensure maximum efficiency. This dynamic ignition control improves the balance between power output and fuel economy, ensuring smooth operation in various driving situations without the risk of knocking. Number 7. Prevents expensive repairs. If knocking is not detected and corrected in time, it can lead to severe mechanical failures such as piston ring damage, cylinder wall erosion, and even a cracked engine block. These types of repairs are extremely costly and time-consuming. The knock sensor helps prevent these expensive issues by identifying early signs of detonation and allowing corrective action before serious damage occurs. Regular maintenance and timely sensor replacement further enhance the engine's long-term durability. Number 8. Supports use of lower-octane fuels. Engines designed to run on premium fuel may experience knocking when lower-octane fuel is used, but the knock sensor allows the ECU to compensate for this. By adjusting the ignition timing to prevent knocking, the sensor enables vehicles to safely use lower-grade fuel without significant performance loss. This makes driving more cost-effective, as users can choose more affordable fuel options while still protecting their engine from premature wear and tear. Number 9. ensures smooth engine operation. Knocking causes harsh vibrations, rough idling, and erratic acceleration, all of which reduce driving comfort. The knock sensor helps stabilize engine performance by eliminating these disruptions, leading to a quieter and smoother operation. Whether at low speeds in city traffic or high speeds on highways, the sensor helps maintain a seamless driving experience by ensuring that combustion remains controlled and efficient at all times. Number 10. Essential for modern engine management systems. Modern vehicles depend on a network of sensors to maintain efficiency, reliability, and performance. The knock sensor is a vital part of these advanced engine management systems, working in conjunction with fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, and temperature sensors. It allows for intelligent real-time adjustments that maximize fuel economy, optimize ignition timing, and ensure emission compliance. Without a properly functioning knock sensor, the entire engine control system would struggle to maintain optimal efficiency and performance. The knock sensor may be small, but it has a huge impact on your car's performance, efficiency, and longevity. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of a faulty knock sensor can save you money and keep your engine running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more automotive insights. See you in the next video.